Good morning traders. If you are trading Nifty tomorrow, this video is extremely important for you. Today I'll share exact support and resistance levels, possible gap up or gap down scenarios, and how you can plan safe intraday trades using these levels. So watch this video till the end, because one wrong trade near these zones can wipe your profits. Market recap. Let's start with a quick recap of today's Nifty movement. Nifty closed around 26,140, showing a range-bound and slightly weak structure. The market struggled to move decisively above resistance and also didn't break major support strongly. This tells us one thing very clearly: tomorrow will be purely level-based trading. No guessing, only reaction. Right now, Nifty is trading near an important decision zone around 26,140. This area will act as a battle zone tomorrow morning. Whichever side breaks with strength will decide the intraday trend. So remember this: no trade in the middle. Trade only at levels. Support levels explained. Now let's talk about supports, which are very important if the market opens weak. Key support levels: S1 26,089, S2 26,031, S3 = 931, S4 = 25, S5 = 25, 798, S6 = 25, 740. If Nifty opens below 26,140 and fails to move up, then 26,089 will be the first support to watch. A strong breakdown and retest failure below S1 can push Nifty towards S2 and S3. Important note: do not buy blindly at support. Wait for price action confirmation. Resistance levels explained. Now let's look at the resistance side, very important for bullish traders. Key resistance levels: R1 26,205, R2 = 26 263, R3 = 26 321, R4 = 26 379, R5 = 26 437, R6 = 495. If Nifty sustains above 26,205, then we can expect a move towards 26,263, 26,321. But remember, these are selling zones, not breakout zones unless volume supports. Aggressive buying only above R3 with strong candles. Gap up or gap down scenarios. Gap up scenario: if Nifty opens above 26,205, do not buy immediately. Wait for retest of resistance, holding above level, strong bullish candle, only then look for upside towards R2 and R3. Gap down scenario: if Nifty opens below 26,089, expect pressure. Failure to reclaim S1 can lead to fast selling towards S2 and S3. In gap down days, patience is more profitable than panic. Intraday trading guidance: tomorrow is not a trend day prediction. Tomorrow is a level-to-level trading day. Best strategy: trade near supports or resistances only. Avoid middle zone. Keep tight stop loss. Book profits quickly near next level. Option buyers: trade only when price confirms direction near levels. Conclusion or call to action. So traders, these are the most important Nifty levels for tomorrow. If you respect these levels, the market will pay you. If you ignore them, the market will teach you a lesson. If you found this analysis useful, like the video, share with your trading friends, and subscribe for daily Nifty analysis.